Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the JoyJolt brand. They're 24 pieces fluted glass storage containers with lids. It's 12 airtight freezer safe food storage containers. Now this is the box it came in. I haven't opened it yet, but I'll tell you this was totally surrounded with bubble wrap, really thick bubble wrap, and put into a separate large box so you know you're going to get it without any damage to the glass containers. They're very durable anyways. Now this product gets a 1-year warranty and it gets great Amazon customer ratings. So let's open it up and take a look at them. And as you open this up, each one is individually wrapped with plastic, and there's foam that goes on the top to protect it, and then there's foam in between each layer of the product to make sure you get a perfect product after it's shipped. So here they are out of all the packaging. It took me about 10 minutes to unpack them because there was plastic protection and more foam on everything in the layers in here and on the covers. I've never seen containers this protected my entire life. So what's really cool about these, this is fluted glass storage containers, and you can put things in there obviously for meal prep, and they're safer than plastics because this glass will not absorb odors. And what's amazing is this is made out of Borosilicate glass. It's space shuttle glass, so that they love extreme temperatures. You can put it in a dishwasher, oven safe to 1040 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave safe. The covers are not microwave safe, but the bases are. This is incredible. I've never seen a product like this, so that you're going to get a total sealed container, and then if you want to cook in the bases, you could do that also. So you can see how many it contains here. The 35 ounce 8x6, 21 ounce 6.75 by 5, 12 ounce 2 4.2 by 5.5, 4 square containers 27 ounces 6 inches, 17.5 ounces 5.2 inches, 11 ounces 2 4.3 inches, 4 round containers 32 ounces 6.75, 21 ounce 5.9 inches, 13.5 ounce 2 5.2 inches, and the height ranges on these from 1.75 to 2.3 inches. Now that was a mouthful. Let's just take a look at this. These are really quite amazing. My wife's going to love these. So here's the way they look. Absolutely beautiful. It has the fluted glass in there, and this is that bulletproof glass. And then the cover is unique. It's got that safe plastic for you, and then it has this siliconized seal that you could remove and you clean it if you want to. So what that does is that pushes into this edge right there. And the fluted not only looks beautiful, but it gives it more durable strength. Look at the bottom right there. So this is like an unbelievable glass that's not going to stain, not going to stick, and you can bake in it and store food in your refrigerator, and then put these lids right on. And you notice how there's 4 lids. So when you put these 4 lids down, this is on there. You cannot turn this. It is totally sealed. And I love how they have all these different sizes so that you can make your choice of your leftovers or what you're going to store. If you're bringing food to a picnic, this is great because you could store all the different food items in here. I'm totally impressed with the quality of this. These lids fit flawlessly, and you could tell this glass is extremely durable. So I'm totally impressed with this. So I'm going to give the JoyJolt brand their 24-piece fluted glass storage containers with lids a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.